Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by proving ownership and gathering existing clues. Check password managers and browser-saved passwords first, because they often hold the credential you need. Search your email for setup confirmations, password hints, or invoices that list account names. If a device is nearby, look for digital notes or printed records. Once done, make sure you've noted account identifiers and any recent changes. This narrows recovery choices and prevents unnecessary resets or lockouts. You now follow the provider's recovery mechanisms step by step. Use the official Forgot Password link, supply the backup email or phone, and enter recovery codes if you have them. If multi-factor authentication is involved, check registered authenticators or backup codes stored offline. When systems request identity proof, provide what's required: invoice, ID, or device serial. If this is a company account, escalate to IT so they can verify and restore access without breaching policy or data integrity. You finish by creating a strong, unique password and saving it in a password manager so you don't repeat this search. Enable multi-factor authentication and update recovery contacts to prevent future lockouts. If you rely on keys or tokens, rotate them now and verify services reconnect. If something goes wrong, check audit logs for lockouts or suspicious attempts, then contact support with timestamps and evidence. That troubleshooting step usually reveals a misconfiguration or an out-of-date recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.